Okay, Miss Kate, I need a drum roll. Hi friends, Miss Hazel here.
And Miss Kate.
Okay, another fun afternoon project, morning, night, any kind of time of day
Any kind
project.
of
Okay, this one is ink marbling
It's upside down.
painting. Also, it's from Japan, and it's called Suminagashi. I hope I'm saying it the right way.
Yeah, we may be doing this.
We may be-
syllables on the wrong spars.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, but we're not sure. So it's floating paint on top of water, and then we're going to make a print from it. It's very cool.
Floating ink.
Floating ink. So I'm going to stand up now and show you. Okay, here we go. You need a bucket. That's clean. We tried this earlier, and the water was soapy, so that didn't work. And then you need some water, and I think maybe
You don't need too much water.
massive
because
amount,
you're
like maybe like an inch.
Sure.
Is that like about an inch?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine.
Because we're doing it just on the top.
Yeah, you're just doing it. All right. This little kit comes with these. If you drop the paint right into it, it just will sink. So they give us these little circles inside the kit that you can float on top of the water, get it wet, and then float it. And then it's going to float up that way. All right. This is really fun. We do this with the kids. Okay, get back over there.
And this kit is water-based. The inks that are normally used are oil-based
Oh,
inks,
yeah.
which is why they sit on the water.
All right, so I'm going to start with maybe some green. So watch how it jumps out. Is that cool? Drop it again. Ooh. I brought a toothpick so I can control my little guy over here. All right, I'm going to put some more. 3, 4. Okay, now I'm going to pick a different color. That's green. Then I thought maybe yellow will be bright. So, yellow. Pretty. Kind of fun to watch. We do this with the kids. We're like, just try to drop it onto the, so if you drop it here, it just, I don't know if you can see, it's still cool, but a lot of it sinks. All right, that yellow. I'm going to go in again a little bit with some more blue, so that's in the middle. I don't know how exact you can be with this because it's floating on top of the water. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, now, so you really get some nice contrast, I'm going to put some black, which is really cool. All right, come on. Say hello to the other colors. You didn't float out, Miss Kate.
That's weird.
Ooh, try it again.
Yeah, it looks like it's sinking.
Yeah, the black is sinking. Yeah,
Weird.
it's all right. So now I'm going to use my toothpick and I'm going to swirl my paint around a little bit more. If you stir it really fast, you're just going to you're going to send the paint down to the bottom.
Or we saw this last week that kids swirled a lot and then they were surprised when their whole paper was blue or green instead of having the marbled look.
All right. I just want to make sure we get a good. Ooh, I like what it's doing over here. It's crazy. I feel like, let's get a little bit, it's traveling over here. I'm going to move this guy out of the way. So I'm going to drop my regular size sheet of paper in. I feel like this is a little...
What sort of paper are you using?
I'm going to use regular craft paper. I think you want to not use copy paper because it's too thin and I feel like it will just fall apart. All right, now I'm going to take my paper. If I was in the classroom, I'd write my name on the back because we're all making art. And I'm going to put it in, top of that. Make sure it's all covered. All right, this is what we call the big reveal. So I'm going to grab the corner so you can see it.
See it?
Is that cool? Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? I like how sometimes they look like planets or they look like the earth.
It's different every time.
It's different every time. Put that one there. The black really sunk. I lost my little dot. Maybe I'll go in Same colors, or should I switch it up?
Or what if you did a ghost print right now? Just
Alright,
took
let's see
off
what happens
some
with a
more
ghost print. Miss Kate is calling, like when you do a second print on the same ink.
We'll see what happens now.
Sometimes when we do this with little friends, there's a lot of paint in here. Okay, here we go, ghosty print.
Oh, that was really pretty
Ooh.
too. Much lighter because you picked up most
Yeah,
of the black
look
the
at
first time.
that. Yeah, very pretty. It's very nice. All right, I'm gonna go in ahead and make one more.
Okay.
Put that here. Hopefully you can see. The black was really very bold in the bottom. Didn't really.
Yeah, I'm surprised by that.
I know. All right, I don't know, let's use whole different colors and see what happens. If as I was doing this with kids, there'd be just paint everywhere. I'm just gonna go crazy. Ooh, look at that. It's hard to see. This is one of those things that we do a lot with the kids because it's just kind of fun. And the grown-ups always want to do it too. There's orange. Now, because the water's kind of already dirty, it's going to be hard to tell what it's going to look like when I print it. So red. Oh, it's sort of like a little game in there. And now I'll go back in with yellow. 2, 3. And what did I do first? Orange. I'm going to go with orange again in the middle. 2 oranges. Okay. Can we see the big circles? I'm going to go in with my toothpick
Gently swirl.
and do a gentle swirl. I believe that there are artists that make these with massive pieces of paper into like big vats, and then they pull it up very carefully. You can kind of see there's a really cool design. Be interesting to see what this looks like and if any of the colors behind. All right, are we ready?
Yes.
Okay, here we go. Miss Kate, I might have to ask for a drum roll.
Are you ready?
I'm very excited to see what this one looks like. Okay, Miss Kate, I need a drum roll.
Oh, that's beautiful. Those colors are great.
Yeah, and they didn't really, it looks like the other colors didn't really interfere. Wow! That is so pretty. Should I try another ghost print
Yes.
on it?
See
And then
what
we'll
else we
just,
get.
we'll just sign off and you and I can keep doing this. You could use this for wrapping paper.
Mhm.
Really nice wrapping paper. Oh, that is so pretty. It's kind of
You could
psychedelic.
write a letter to someone on it
Yeah,
too.
yeah,
That's
you
pretty.
could. Or you might find it here in the painted paper bin.
Mhm.
Okay, here we go. Ghosty print.
Also really pretty.
That's kind of
And
pretty.
you picked up some of the green that time.
Look at that. I ended up with some colors from here. So this is Suminagashi. Here you have it. Marbling. And it's really fun. And you might want to try it at home. And you could make a lot of them.
But we make
Do
some.
all kinds of things. Yeah. So thank you for coming. Hopefully you learned something new today and you have something new and fun to try at home. Bye, friends. Thanks.
Have a good day. Bye.